purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to search all of the standardized high-throughput sequencing Xenopus datasets from the Gene Expression Omnibus, or GEO, that are available on Xenbase. The search can be performed via a simple or advanced search. This tutorial will walk the user through the simple search. The GeoSearch interface can be accessed from two locations on the Xenbase homepage, either by clicking the Geodata at Xenbase link under the Expression menu at the top of the Xenbase homepage, or by clicking the Geodata at Xenbase link on the Gene Expression tile in the middle of the Xenbase homepage. Clicking on this link will bring the user to the Geo Simple Search landing page. From here, you can search via multiple different terms or IDs, including gene, antibody, author, tissue, or specific IDs for GSE, GSM, SRR, or via a Xenbase article ID. A user can restrict the search to either Xenopus laevis or tropicalis. The selected default will search both. For this search, we will use the keyword heart. When doing this, a list of results is displayed in a drop-down menu. A user can go directly to a specific GSE by clicking on it. Alternatively, all search matches are returned by pressing Enter or the search button. The results for this search are then displayed. A user can view the GSE ID, which when clicked takes you to a Xenbase GSE page. Going back to the GSE search landing page, a user can view the GSE title, the assay types used within the GSE, and the Xenbase article ID. Clicking on this link goes to the page for the Xenbase article that published the associated GSE. Going back to the GSE search page, the user can view all samples within the GSE and load samples individually by clicking on the boxes or select all into JBrowse by clicking the button in the upper right-hand corner. Going back to the GSE search page, note that all of these searches can be performed in the quick search bar at the upper right-hand corner of every Xenbase page. Simply click Geodatasets and type in a keyword to find all matches. This completes the tutorial for a simple search of the Xenbase GeoDatasets. Stay tuned for a tutorial demonstrating the advanced search.